Welcome to Hi Channel. Today, please go with us to the Canadian Sault Canal Lock, a hidden gem at the Sault Canal National Historic Site of Parks Canada in Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario. Nestled along the scenic St. Mary's River, this historic lock is a testament to Canada's rich engineering heritage. When it was completed in 1895, the Canadian Sault Canal Lock was the longest in the world and the first to be powered by electricity, a true marvel of its time. It was built to allow ships to safely navigate past the dangerous rapids between Lake Superior and Lake Huron, playing a critical role in the development of Great Lakes shipping. As we explore this iconic site, you'll notice how different it is from its American counterpart across the river, the Soo Locks in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. While the Soo Locks are designed for the heavy traffic of massive commercial freighters, some over 1,200 feet long, the Canadian Sault Canal Lock serves a more intimate purpose today. It primarily accommodates pleasure boats and small tour vessels, making it a tranquil spot to reflect on a bygone era of Canadian maritime history. Unlike the bustling industrial activity at the American Soo Locks, the Canadian Sault Canal Lock offers a more relaxed, educational experience. Visitors can walk through the beautifully preserved site, seeing the original lock gates, the powerhouse, and other historic structures that have been standing for over a century. It's a living museum that tells the story of Canadian ingenuity and the vital role this canal played in the past. So, join us today as we take a leisurely stroll through the Canadian Sault Canal Lock, where history comes alive with every step. Here, you'll get a unique glimpse into a piece of Canada's past and appreciate how this small but mighty lock helped shape the Great Lakes region. Let's dive into this fascinating journey together, right here on Hi Channel.